Hey guys, welcome back in Bangla YG, and this is another part. So I already add some animations and also some weapon assets from my library. Okay, so that is the FP Assault pack. Okay, this is already a fully set up project that we have a simple FP player with, as you can see, with some zero recoil and lots of things. But we'll be use this thing in our TTP player, so we'll be customize ourselves because we want to make our own game, okay, not someone else. So first of all we need to create the blueprint, okay, that we can pick the gun. So at our here we'll be create a simple blueprint class with actor that AKM and BP. Okay, I'll give it name that AKM BP with the blueprint. Now it will be open this thing. Okay, now what you'll be do is basically I'll be go in my pack, okay, like the Azul pack, go at the mash and find the rifle, okay, maybe RU, however I call this the rifle in AKM. So I will be use this thing, okay, because this is already fully set up, that's why. Okay, now compile and save, and there is also lots of animation for this available. Like if I say to it animation assets, okay, it's have lots of cool animation like this shooting, okay, like these things, but I don't know why this thing go right now. Yeah, reload, okay, that as you can see this is the reload animations, okay, that is good. Yeah, I very seriously I like these things. However, for now we'll be didn't use any animation, but we'll be compile and save this. Okay, so the as you can see this is our simply the the our AKM. Now we'll be add simply by selecting default route, so we'll be add a simple box collision. So box collision, okay, so this box collision will be verify that are we are near of this gun or not. Okay, basically her work is this, so we'll be give like that. We must be need to as near as possible. Also we need to make sure that our guns have known contaminations, okay, because why, when it's this gun will be attached with our body, it will be can if it's have block collision, so what will be do is it will be throw our player, okay, so we don't want that our player go when after the picking gun our player will be go in sky, we don't want that. Okay, so that's why. Okay, now we'll be simply go at our event graph, and by selecting box collision we'll be get even begin play and even overlapped. Okay, that even begin play and even overlapped. Okay, so from at here we'll be simply cast to TTP player. Okay, so we'll be attached with this thing, and the simply same thing for that and other sector. Okay, so from at here we'll be search that near maybe an EAR near gun. Okay, we'll be set the near gun. Okay, that if we have the near of begin overlap the box collision, it's mean that we have near of the gun, so it's true. If it's out of the gun, so it will be show that we are not near of gun, so untick and compile and save. Okay, so now what we need to do is basically very simple. We need to now open our TTP player. Okay, we need to create a reference data of our this AKM BP. So just go at variable, create another variable and call it name that AKM, then ref that with reference ref reference, and by boolean data will be just cast or get our AKM BP or the object reference. Okay, so let's come at our AKM BP, and from our TTP player will be set AKM and reference and just connect it with this, and at here AKM reference will be select that self. Okay, so now we have this full AKM data in our this variable, so we can use this variable. Okay, so that is the simple data of the where is give the our AKM data to our this variable, so we can use. Now let's come in our TTP player. So now at here will be verify that our reference is evaluated. Okay, is evaluated or not. This block will be help you to verify that are there is any data in this AKM reference or not. If there is no data, it will be should be not work. So if there is any data, so it should be work. Okay, now will be basically very simple that at evaluated will be ATTH attach actor with components, because we are going to attach this with our body parts. Okay, so at the target is our basically the AKM reference. Now we need to add the parent. The parent is our basically the mesh. Will we get the mesh? Oh guys, now it's thundering in my city. Yeah, thunder raining. So guys, I think I need to close my PC or my PC will be blast. That's why. So basically from the mesh will be connected with this. At our location will be set snap target, and snap target. Now compile and save. Now then we need to click that. We need to create another variable that gun have. Okay, so gun have, and this should be a boolean data, and we'll be just give it after attaching. Okay, after the attaching complete. Okay, so basically we need to now set the stock name. So for do that we need to basically find our this TTP player skeleton body. So I know that it's in my rifle pack. Okay, with the UFO mesh and skeleton body. Okay, now you need to go at your 3 bones, and from your backsides like this prenum 2 we need to create another stock, and we'll be give it name that GL1. Okay, I'm give it name that GL1 or gun location 1. Okay, so let's search that GL1. Okay, now by selecting this we'll need to click on preview assets, and from the previewed asset we need to find our AKM which one you're using. Okay, so we'll be just set it. So make sure this is a preview, not the real. Okay, we are just seeing this AKM right now, but it's only see by us, like we can see this gun, no one else. So just like that, and then just do like this. I think this should be some like that. What do you say? This is good or not? I think guys this is good. So make sure it's enough attach. Come on, should be enough. So like that. Okay, I think this is probably very nice. Okay, now we click save, and now we need to go at our TTP player. At the stock name we need to just paste the stock L1 GL1. Okay, that was very simple. Now let's drag our AKM. So TTP, where is our player? Maybe it's don't have any. Oh, it's have in sky. He is live in sky. Yeah, we don't want right now. Okay, however that is the player location that this said. Okay, just simply drag our AKM to our world. Okay, now simply apply or play. There's our AKM, as you can see. Now if I go near of this gun and press F, so it will be attached with our body, as you can see. That was good. Okay, next video will be our, yeah, that as you can see this is probably very good. Okay, yeah, and just seeing that we are not near of this gun. Okay, let me show you. If we are not near of this gun we can't pick. As you can see I'm pressing the F key, but it will be not pick the gun. But if I near of this gun, then I can pick this gun. Yes, that was very good. And now we can select that the aim with we need to just now need to the same thing for our that if we change the gun, like if you use the gun it will be attached with our body. So first of all we'll be save this all the thing. So let's go to our TTP player. Now from at here we can create another that number one keyboard, that if I press 1 I want to use this. So first of all we'll be verify this thing the same. So just only copy this thing. So at here when I press 1 it should be do that. First of all we verify that are we have the gun or not. So this boolean data will be activated this from this. So after the AKM reference will be simply attach this thing. So same like that, and the reference is our basically the AKM, and the parent is our mesh. Now we need to also create a new stock. So let's go at our skeleton body, And now what will we do, just click on preview animation with aim cc. So we have like this aiming animations. So what will we do, what need to do is basically search that hand hand with hand R. So we will create another stock, and this stock name will be what you can give guys, gun. Okay, so give an gun, so I'm giving it name gun. We'll be do the same thing, that preview assets, and we'll be preview by AKM, so we can find the perfect. So we'll be do like this, so just selecting our AKM. So but you can now just search the stock name by what you give. So we need to now simply set up this thing. So guys, it can take some time to set up, because when you are doing something like that, it can take some time to set up, like, yeah. So let's do these things. I think this is good. So you can also just increase some your camera speed. Okay, so it will be help you. I think this is good. But as you can see, the hand are wrong, so we need to basically find the rotation. So give it to 0. Yeah, so that is the basically I think perfect. Okay, now we'll be simply save TTP player, and just need to paste at here the key or the stock name, compile and save. Now let's test this. Now one press, as you can see, it's come in our hand. So now as you can see, yay, we have our gun in our hand, so we can now aim and fire. So I think guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, and bye bye.